Picture.
You are from which country?
Philippines.
Philippines. How many other countries working in this Mary Brown facility?
Nepali, India, Philippines, Bangladesh.
Wow, very good. How is the work? Good.
Yeah, good. Sir.
Only Maldivian don't have, no?
No have, but only.
That is only admin.
No, he before have.
Before, no?
But not
No
long
problem,
time.
no problem. We welcome you,
Yeah.
Ian, no?
Yeah.
Thank you. Huh?
Thank you, sir.
How many years?
9 years.
You are from?
I am from Nepal.
Nepal. I'm from Maldives.
Thank you.
And,
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. We welcome you. Your name is Shankar, no?
Shankar.
We like Mary Brown in this country.
Yeah, I
Maldives.
like- I
We
love
welcome
this.
you. And how many nationality people working with you?
Actually, we have now
Many
almost five
Nepal,
Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, Philippines, Bangladesh.
only Maldivian don't have.
Yeah,
It's so
now
funny, no?
Maldives don't have. Before
have now, no. Because
but company have Maldivian also.
Yeah, companies.
We have security schedules.
It's serving there, no? So how is your business going?
Business is going high, but
This better
Nice,
than that,
yeah.
better than that place. This place better, no?
both are better.
Better.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.